toilette 26 pouch, toilet pouch 26. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you are new here, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel and like this video if you liked it, okay? All right, so today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. This year I've been really inspired to tap into a little bit of more luxury items, things that are going to make me feel good, and things that are going to be of better quality. This item is a birthday gift to myself for this year. I feel like I really did deserve it, so I went ahead and just, picked it up. It's going to be a Prada unboxing. I picked up the Prada nylon backpack in the medium size. I purchased mine from the Phipps Plaza here in Atlanta, Georgia. Before we get into the unboxing, I just want to go ahead and share my experience with shopping at Phipps Plaza. I did go on a Wednesday, so July 28th. I wanted to go on my birthday exactly to be able to remember the experience. Because I went on a Wednesday, it was not busy at all. The mall was pretty much wide open. The first store that I went to Gucci to see if I wanted to really pick up the Dionysus bag. If you watch my vlogs, and you all know that was on my wish list, if you will, for my birthday. What do you think about this colorway? I feel like these not as comfortable as these.
Because we like you got
Like the cushion. These are so cute though. But it's about to get cold. Like I have no reason to have these. Obviously I decided against it, but that bag, girl, don't go into Gucci with some money and try that bag on and think you're not gonna walk out without it, okay? Just don't do it. The purse itself was so cute, but I just wanted to look around a little bit more.
Yeah. I think you can buy tickets still on the Eventbrite.
What color is this one?
So this one is a navy blue with a red lining, which is super cute.
Yeah.
I like that name.
Yes, it's different, right? And I feel like you can do jeans. I love this bag because it's like dressy casual.
And I ended up going to Prada at the end of the day. My experience at the Prada Plaza? My experience at the Prada store in Phipps Plaza, I believe it was in Saks. Yeah, it was in the Saks portion of the mall. It was an amazing experience. I was pretty much the only one in there. The lady that worked in Prada, she was very helpful. She let me look around, allowed me to just try on certain things that I wanted to look at. She gave me my space, but she also made sure that she was available if I needed her. I went ahead and tried on the backpack. This backpack in the store, they had it on display in two different colors. They had it in black and they had it in a tan color. I went ahead and picked it up in the black color, y'all. Let me tell you, this backpack is so freaking cute. One of the main reasons why I picked up this backpack is because one, it's not a very trendy piece. So I feel like this bag is gonna last me a little while. And it's a bag that I can wear on a day-to-day or everyday basis if I wanna go run errands, but if I still wanna look cute, you know what I mean? I feel like this bag is gonna be that girl. Let me go ahead and get the unboxing portion ready to go because I know that's why y'all are here. Y'all like, why you keep talking? You're just show the bag. So let me go ahead and show the bag. The backpack came in this bag and it also came sealed off with a sticker. That looks inside. This is the receipt holder. This is how it came packaged. Comes in this nice dust bag, and this is the bag. It is the Prada nylon backpack in the size medium. This bag retails for $14.90 prior to taxes. I'm sure that you can find it online on like Fashion File or something like that. Used, maybe you can find the vintage one. This is the newer version. And it'll be at a cheaper price, but I wanted to be able to experience the process of buying a luxury item in person. So that's why I went ahead and went into the store. But y'all, this bag is so freaking cute. It's gonna be perfect for the fall, I feel, and perfect for whenever I need to go run a little bit of errands here and there, but I still wanna look very put together and really cute. I think this bag is gonna give me that vibe, it's gonna give me that energy, and y'all, I'm so excited. Also, it does feature a few different compartments. You have 2 pockets in the front where you can store like whatever type of items that you feel, like chapstick, something small that'll fit in these 2 compartments here. You also have this wallet here. I don't plan on leaving this wallet on the backpack while I'm wearing it. I'm going to for sure put this wallet in the backpack when I am using this backpack. Here you have buckles. For the top, for all compartments, in order for you to open it up, you do have to unfasten the buckles, and it does come with a button underneath it, like a clasp. So here is the top. You do have to undo it, and it has that button, that clasp, like I said, that you can attach it to. If you want to just make it quick and easy, you can just pop it on there without fastening it, but I'm probably gonna fasten it anyway. So that's how it opens and closes. It does have a drawstring compartment here, and obviously the inside is filled with paper. The inside has 1 pocket. It can be closed. It closes magnetically, like that. And then it does have another zipper compartment right here at the top. And this is the inside. It has a Prada logo all over with Prada right here. So yeah, that's it. There's really no structure to this bag, unless obviously there's stuffing in here, but I do plan on getting like a liner to go ahead and line this bag and give it more of a shape, even if there's not going to be a lot of stuff in here, because I don't plan on stuffing this backpack. Like, I don't plan on doing too much, but it's not going to be filled to the brim. We're not going to school in this backpack, okay? We ain't holding books in here, okay? And then again, the 2 front compartments, they're the exact same. Just clasp it open like that, and then there's stuffing in there as well. Is this bag not the cutest? Like, come on, this is so me. This is so perfect. This is a fall essential. I'm so happy that I left the Gucci store and just roamed around a little bit. I went to Louis Vuitton as well. Didn't see exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for the toilette 26 pouch. Toilet pouch 26. Couldn't find that in the store. Honestly, Louis Vuitton didn't have a lot of anything to choose from in the store. Okay. And then I went over to Prada and just seen the backpack, and I was like, no, girl, I gotta get it.
It's a very like a royal, very like blue purple.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the black one.
Okay.
Yeah,
It looks great on you.
it's too cute. I need
It really is. It made me kind of like want one.
Oh, that is so cute. Like, I have to get it. It's too good to be true. It's too good. Welcome, girl. Welcome to the family. So this is just my first impressions, my unboxing of this bag. Please make sure, like I said, you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this bag, feel free to leave them down in the comments down below. I hope you all enjoyed. If you own this bag, tell me how you feel. What are your thoughts? I hope you all enjoyed, like I said, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.